Farm Club, and I am excited to introduce you to our February kit, which is Prima's With Love. We're going to make a little folio. It's going to be awesome. So what do you get in your kit? You're going to get 30 8x8 sheets of the With Love patterned paper. And this is so soft and shabby chic and beautiful. Lots of great things to fussy cut. Of course, it has sort of a heart theme for Valentine's Day. Look at these gorgeous images. So, so beautiful. And then you're going to get, I think it's 5 sheets of each pattern. So we're going to have lots and lots of paper to play with, which means we can do lots of little fun extra things in our folio, which I love, and pink polka dots. So to go with that, we have the With Love flower pack. This is 14 pieces. I love that this comes with little tiny ones and foliage, and then plain ones and patterned ones. Then you're going to get the whole ephemera pack, and I just have to show you because this has gold foiling on it. Look how beautiful. I mean, just really just exquisite. And these that gold foiling adds so much. Little sweet birds, all the things I love. I'm very, very excited about working little tags. Look at this. So beautiful. Teacups. I love this collection. It is really, really gorgeous. Look at that. Fabulous. Cake. All the things we love. So that, and then in addition to the ephemera, you're also going to get the chipboard, which also has gold foiling. And this adds so much wonderful dimension to a design. And then look at these. It's okay to squeal a little bit. I did. This little wee silver spoon, this little teacup, and this darling little teapot. That comes in your kit. And then a yard of this beautiful, I hope this picks up the sparkle, this beautiful aqua striped ribbon from May Arts, and a little heart pin. You're actually going to get 3 of those little heart pins, and then also the pink. And then a packet of these lovely buttons with all different patterns, so cute. 10 yards of crochet thread. Yours is going to come on a really cute spool. Mine doesn't come as cute, but still nice. And then 10 sheets of this Tea Party cardstock. This is 65-pound solid cardstock. And then 6 sheets of this heavy cream cardstock, and this has a little bit of a linen texture. This is going to be beautiful. This is what we're going to build our folio and our mechanisms with. So that is the kit. You can order yours today at the Button Farm Club. I will put the link in the description. These are limited kits, so it's first come, first served. The kit also comes with video tutorials with private links and a basic written guide. So you've got the visual and you've got the written. Whichever way you learn, it's going to work for you. I'm so excited to get this started. I'll be back in a minute to show you what we're going to make. All right, here it is. I love the way this turned out. It is always so exciting for me to get to design a folio. This one is 8 1/4 by 8 1/2 inches, and it's got this beautiful stacked dimensional cover with our flowers and buttons and chipboard and ribbon, our little stick pins, all these cute little things. This makes me think of a gallery wall in an art museum. And then on our spine, we've got it all decorated up sweetly with our little tea charms, flower, ribbon, button, and a little chipboard here. And here's our back cover with just a little decoration. Ribbon wrapped to hold everything neatly together because this is a fold-out folio. So it has 2 spines. And we open it up, and the fun starts right on the very first page, where I've created this sweet little tab top photo wallet that folds down. And then let me see if I can get this in here so you can see everything. And then it also flaps out. So you've got lots of room in this little folio for journaling and for pictures. And that brings us to our next first flap page. And this is a little gatefold with a little tea party right here on the cover. And then this flips open like this. You've got room. I wanted this folio to have room for big pictures and small pictures and journaling. So you've got lots of these great big 7 3/4 by 7 3/4 inch places for large photos, and then little photos could go here or journaling, and then a little sidecar pocket over here. Look at those sweet little birds with a little tag and another little photo mat or a journaling spot. So that's the very first interactive element. Then the folio opens out like this, and we've got a really fun big waterfall. This is a lateral waterfall with a little string closure that you'll learn how to build. Journaling tag here, room for photo here, sweet little chipboard elements. And then this flips out, and these pages are 7 3/4 by 7 3/4. So again, room for big photos. And I didn't put a lot on here because I wanted you to have room to add your photos. And then you'll also have room, there's like a couple of cut apart pages left when you finish making the album, so you can put those things in here as little interest things, but I wanted you to be able to put your photos in first. And then we have a really sweet little sidecar pocket on the back with a couple of sweet little folios, and these are great because I'm going to teach you my best tips and tricks for using scraps to make these. Little tag tuck spot and room for photos. And then this one is actually a little accordion folio with 6 panels, little tag pocket, and then over here another little tag pocket and another little tag pocket. So lots of technique in here. You're going to learn how to build the belly band. You're going to learn how to make tags with your scraps. You're going to learn how to take scraps that you wouldn't think you could really do a whole lot with and find out you can do quite a bit with them. And I always try to load my tutorials, my kits, with lots of techniques. All right, then that brings us, this might be my favorite page. This is another little string tie closure. We've got this lovely little vintage gal here with flowers and shoes and all these pretties, but look what this does. Isn't that fun? So you've got room for a 5 by 7 photo here. You've got room on the side for little photos or journaling, and then actually you have hidden pages on the back where you can add more photos. You could actually put cream cardstock in here and do more journaling if you wanted to, and I'll tie that later. But then look, this flips out again. There are 2 more pages hidden back behind this page. So we've got a lovely pocket page with a really large 5 by 7 folio, room for more photos in here, and of course in the pocket. But just look at this darling paper. This is such a fun collection to work with. I think y'all are really going to enjoy it. And then the very last feature is another waterfall dressed up with a little button and some gold foil. And look at this. This opens out like this. How fun is that? And these will actually hold 4 by 4 or 3 1/4 or 3 by 3 photos. You can get 1, 2, 4, 6, 8 photos in here. And the little pull tab is just so fun. And you could actually do a hidden something on the inside. So that is the project. I think you will really enjoy making it, and I think you will learn a lot too. It's really important to me to build that kind of value into this kit. So I'll put the link in the description box below. These are limited edition kits. Once they're gone, they're gone. So if you think you want it, you better grab it quick. And I'll put a link back to my blog so you can see more detailed photos and things like that. But I'm very excited. What the world needs is a little bit of love. And this is the sweetest little love folio. All right, guys, that's it for me, Kathy Clement, Kathy by Design for the Button Farm Club. And I'm going to go get my craft on. Bye.